Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix TikTok couldn't upload video and save to draft. For that, first of all, you want to ensure your phone has a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can simply toggle airplane mode on and then off, and then open up your Safari or YouTube to confirm you are connected. So once you've done that, go ahead and simply restart your TikTok app. Go ahead and swipe from the bottom and then force close the app, and then reopen the app and then try uploading again from drafts. After that, go ahead and open up your settings. Inside settings, simply tap on general, then tap on software updates. You want to make sure you have your software updated. If you find anything pending, go ahead and download and install. After that, if you have enabled low data mode, you want to go ahead and simply turn it off. And also you can go ahead and free up storage. Make sure you have at least 2 GB free. TikTok may fail uploads if the storage is full. And as a last resort, you can go ahead and simply reinstall TikTok. For that, first of all, you have to uninstall TikTok from your device. And once you have deleted TikTok from your device, go ahead and simply open up your App Store and then reinstall TikTok from there. And that's it. That is simply how you can fix TikTok couldn't upload videos and save to draft. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.